Here, I will show you how to recover your unsaved Premiere Pro project. Go to your File Explorer and go to Documents folder, open Adobe folder, open Premiere Pro folder, version name folder, and in here you will find this Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. Just open it, and this Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder contains all of your unsaved Premiere Pro project. So all you have to need, scroll down and just find out the project you want to recover. So this is the project I've accidentally closed right now, and here we can see the date and time. Now just double click on the project, and the project will automatically launch in your Premiere Pro in just few seconds. And here we can see the unsaved project. Now you can go ahead and work with it, and you can go ahead and save as this project.